We work with the Engineering and Manufacturing Network, the organisation tasked with supporting the continued growth of the area's engineering and manufacturing industries.
The opportunities that we've identified as part of the programme actually they vary greatly because the businesses that we work with are quite diverse. So it might be plastics, it might be typical heavy engineering, it could be traditional fabrication, or could even be within the digital sectors. So the opportunities are quite diverse. What we found with working with the larger businesses, they frequently have needs to increase their own supply chain, and a lot of them now are looking for more local suppliers. So what we're currently looking for is ways for them to be able to diversify. So it may be looking at businesses who work exclusively in automotive and seeing if there's other opportunities in the region for them to be able to supply something that's within their core competency, but to a different sector. So that's going to be one of our focuses over the next couple of years, certainly.
The Business Opportunities Programme is about straightforward, practical support. If you're a business based in County Durham and would like us to help your business grow, please get in touch.